What if I told you some sweet fruits can help lower blood sugar instead of raising it? It sounds strange, but it is true when you choose the right fruits and eat them the right way. Today, we will talk about pomegranate, passion fruit, and blueberries. These fruits taste great, and they also support better insulin action, a healthy heart, and strong kidneys. I will show you why they help, how much to eat, how to pair them with meals, easy recipes, shopping tips, and common mistakes to avoid. By the end, you will know how to enjoy fruit with steady numbers and steady energy. A quick note before we start: many people hear fruit and think too much sugar. The truth is more simple. The fiber in whole fruit slows sugar into the blood. The plant compounds in these fruits also support the heart and the cells that use insulin. Juice is a different story. Juice has little or no fiber, so it can spike blood sugar fast. Whole fruit wins. Now, let's build you a simple plan. How to make fruit work for your blood sugar pick. Whole fruit instead of juice or sweet snacks. Watch the portion. For most people, 1/2 cup of fruit at a time or one small piece works well. Pair fruit with protein or healthy fat. For example, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, seeds, eggs, or nut butter. This slows sugar even more. Eat fruit with a meal or right after a meal, not on an empty stomach. If you are very sugar-sensitive, drink water and take a short walk after meals. To help your body use the sugar. Fruit number 1. Pomegranate. Why? Pomegranate helps. Pomegranate is sweet, but it has fiber and helpful plant compounds that slow sugar and calm swelling in the body. Many people with diabetes fight body swelling and stress in the blood vessels. Pomegranate seed sacs, also called arils, are rich in these good-for-you compounds. They support the heart, the blood vessels, and the way your body uses insulin. Sugar impact. In plain words, pomegranate has a moderate sugar impact when you look at the whole fruit. But 1/2 cup of seeds is a small, smart portion. The fiber in that portion helps slow sugar into the blood. Think of fiber like a gentle brake pedal. More good news: heart support. People who add pomegranate to a healthy diet often see better numbers for blood, fats, and blood pressure over time. Kidney support. The antioxidants in pomegranate help reduce stress in kidney tissue. Gut support. Pomegranate feeds good gut bacteria, which can help with regularity and better sugar balance. Immune support. It has vitamin C and other helpful nutrients that support your body's defenses. How much to eat? Seeds. About 1/2 cup per serving. Juice, if you choose juice. Keep it to 4 ounces and try to have it with a protein-rich meal. But whole seeds are better than juice for steady sugar. Easy ways to eat pomegranate yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, pomegranate seeds, and chopped nuts. Big salad topper. Toss seeds over spinach or mixed greens with olive oil and lemon. Warm bowl. Stir seeds into warm oatmeal made with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add cinnamon for extra flavor. Smart shopping tips. Buy whole fruits or cups of fresh seeds with no added sugar. Avoid candy like pomegranate. Snacks and sweet drinks. Key reminder: pomegranate is powerful, but portion control matters. Keep it to 1/2 cup seeds at a time to enjoy the benefits without a sugar rush. Fruit number 2. Passion fruit. Why? Passion fruit helps. Passion fruit is small, bright, and full of fiber. Inside the shell, you will find a soft, juicy pulp with many seeds. That pulp has pectina type of fiber that forms a gentle gel in the stomach. This gel slows sugar into the blood. That is great news for steady numbers and steady energy. Sugar impact. In plain words, passion fruit has a low sugar impact per serving. The fiber slows the rise in blood sugar. It is a smart fruit for people who want sweet flavor with less risk. More good news: insulin support. Plant compounds in the peel and pulp are linked with better insulin action. Heart support. Fiber and potassium support healthy blood pressure and blood fats. Kidney support. Antioxidants help calm stress in kidney tissue. Gut support. The seeds and pulp add fiber to keep digestion regular. Immune support. It brings a nice boost of vitamin C. How much to eat pulp? About 1/2 cup of pulp per serving, or the pulp from 2 to 3 small fruits. Depending on size. Juice. If you choose juice, keep it to 4 ounces and pair it with a meal. Whole pulp is still the better choice. Easy ways to eat passion fruits: prune it fresh, cut in half and scoop the pulp with a spoon. Yogurt swirl. Mix pulp into Greek yogurt and top with chia seeds. Simple dressing. Blend pulp with olive oil and lemon for a sweet tart salad dressing. Chia bowl. Mix pulp, chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. Chill overnight. Top with a few nuts in the morning. Smart shopping tips: pick fresh. Fruit that feels heavy for its size. Avoid sweetened passion fruit syrups. Sweet drinks and desserts with added sugar. Key reminder: even with a low sugar impact, portion size still matters. Keep it to 1/2 cup pulp at a time. Fruit number 3, blueberries. Why? Blueberries help. Blueberries taste sweet but have a gentle effect on blood sugar when you keep the portion modest. They also bring fiber and blue plant compounds that help the body fight swelling and stress at the cell level. These blue compounds support the heart and can help your body use insulin in a more steady way. Sugar impact in plain words. A 1/2 cup of blueberries has a low sugar load for most people. The fiber slows sugar into the blood, and the small portion keeps it gentle. More good news: heart support. Blueberries are linked with better blood vessel health, kidney support. The antioxidants help calm stress in kidney tissue. Gut support. Fiber feeds good gut bugs and supports regularity. Immune support. They bring vitamin C and other helpful nutrients. How much to eat? 1/2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries per serving. If frozen, pick bags with no added sugar. Easy ways to eat blueberries: breakfast bowl. Stir blueberries into warm oatmeal or plain. Greek yogurt, power salad, toss spinach, blueberries, walnuts, and a little feta with olive oil and vinegar. Chia cup. Mix blueberries, chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. Chill and enjoy. Smart shopping tips: fresh or frozen are both great. Avoid blueberry syrups, candies, jams with added sugar, and sweet drinks. Key reminder: more is not always better. Keep it to 1/2 cup at a time for steady numbers. How to pair these fruits for steady numbers. The simple plate rule: protein, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, tofu, chicken, turkey, fish, or a small amount of nuts, non-starchy vegetables, spinach, kale, broccoli, cucumber, peppers, zucchini, lettuce. Cabbage, slow carbs, optional. Oats, quinoa, wild rice, black rice, lentils. Keep to 1/2 cup cooked if you include them. Healthy fat, olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, or nut butter in small amounts. Fruit portion: add 1/2 cup of one fruit from today's list. This balance keeps you full, slows sugar, and supports the heart. 12 fast. Diabetes-friendly fruit ideas: Greek yogurt plus 1/2 cup pomegranate. Seeds plus chopped walnuts. Cottage cheese plus 1/2 cup blueberries. Plus cinnamon. Chia cup with passion fruit pulp and unsweetened almond milk. Spinach salad plus pomegranate. Seeds plus olive oil plus lemon. Oatmeal made with water plus 1/2 cup. Blueberries plus chia seeds overnight. Oats with blueberries and plain Greek yogurt. Quinoa. Bowl plus grilled chicken plus pomegranate seeds plus herbs. Greek yogurt plus water plus passion fruit pulp plus a few ice cubes, no added sugar. Almond, tea, munger rice cake plus blueberries on top. Cottage cheese bowl plus pomegranate seeds plus pumpkin seeds. Spinach, cucumber, feta, olive oil plus passion fruit dressing. Fruit taster plate 1/4 cup pomegranate plus 1/4 cup. Blueberries with a cheese stick or a hard-boiled egg. 1 week starter plan. Swap days as you like. Day 1 breakfast. Greek yogurt with 1/2 cup blueberries and chia. Lunch. Chicken salad with greens and pomegranate seeds. Snack. Cottage cheese with cinnamon. Dinner. Salmon, broccoli, and a small scoop of quinoa. Dessert. 2 to 3 passion fruits, about 1/2 cup pulp with a few nuts. Day 2 breakfast. Oatmeal with 1/2 cup blueberries and cinnamon. Lunch. Turkey lettuce wraps plus side salad. Snack. Greek yogurt. Dinner. Trout, roasted Brussels sprouts, and wild rice, 1/2 cup cooked. Dessert. 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds. Day 3 breakfast. Chia cup with passion fruit pulp. Lunch. Spinach salad with tuna and olive oil dressing. Snack. Apple slices with peanut butter small. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu and mixed veg. Dessert. 1/2 cup blueberries. Day for breakfast. Cottage cheese with 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds. Lunch. Lentil soup plus side salad. Snack. A few almonds. Dinner. Chicken, green beans, and brown basmati rice, 1/2 cup cooked. Dessert. 1/2 cup passion fruit pulp. Day 5 breakfast. Yogurt with 1/2 cup blueberries. Lunch. Sardine salad plate with greens. Snack. Carrot sticks and hummus. Dinner. Shrimp, zucchini noodles, tomato, and herbs. Dessert. 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds. Day 6 breakfast. Omelette with spinach and feta. Lunch. Quinoa bowl with chickpeas and veg. Snack. Greek yogurt. Dinner. Grilled chicken, roasted peppers, and wild rice, 1/2 cup. Dessert. 1/2 cup blueberries. Day 7 breakfast. Cottage cheese with passion fruit pulp. Lunch. Big salad with salmon and pomegranate seeds. Snack. A few walnuts. Dinner. Turkey meatballs, cabbage sauté, and a small side of black rice, 1/2 cup. Dessert. 1/2 cup blueberries or 1/2 cup pomegranate seeds. Adjust portions to your needs and your numbers.